How to redeem Ecredit Delta. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Ecredit Delta. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to delta.com. Now tap on the login option. Here you want to enter your Sky Miles number or username. Then enter your password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to the Redeem section. Then select how you would like to find your credit and fill the required information. Click on the Look Up to begin searching. If you book a flight for more than one person, Delta will issue each passenger with their own e-credit. So it may require more work to gather all the e-credits for, say, a cancelled family trip. Also, if you cannot find your e-credit, you can call a Delta agent to seek help. After finding your e-credit, validate it by entering your first and last name and selecting Add. The page will reload and you will see your e-credit listed under manually entered certificates and e-credits. If you originally booked your flight with your Sky Miles account, you don't need to go through this step. Now, in order to use the e-credit, select the e-credit you want to use and proceed to book your flight. If the flight is more expensive than the amount of your credit, you will need to cover the difference. If you need to use e-credits for multiple passengers, indicate how many there are when booking the flight, enter their Sky Miles account numbers, select Use Credit as the method of payment. Delta will automatically list their available e-credits and you can choose which one to use. Then all you have to do is confirm their names, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.